to our VirtuaLaw legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of People vs. Buntag, G.R. number 123070, 427/180. This landmark case was decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines on April 14, 2004. Let's dive right into it. Facts. On February 8, 1992, Verno Georgat, a German national, checked in at the Ilona Bill Beach Resort in Panglao, Bohol. That night, took his dinner at the resort's restaurant. Diego Bongo talked to regarding the disco which was about to unfold that night in Lower Tawala near the Catabo Beach. After dinner, went to his room. Later that night, Buntag and Bongo went to Ott's room and stabbed him to death. Issue: whether the appellants are guilty of murder, with the qualifying circumstance of treachery. Ruling: the Supreme Court affirmed the decision of the trial court, finding the appellants guilty of murder, with the qualifying circumstance of treachery. The court held that the prosecution presented sufficient evidence to prove that the appellants conspired to kill Ott and that they actually killed him with treachery. The court found that the appellants' extrajudicial confessions were admissible as evidence against them, and that they were corroborated by the other evidence on record, such as the knife used in killing the victim, the key to Ott's room, and the collective testimonies of the other witnesses of the prosecution. Significance: this case is a precedent for other cases involving murder, with the qualifying circumstance of treachery. It establishes that the extrajudicial confessions of the accused are admissible as evidence against them, provided that they are corroborated by other evidence. It also establishes that the prosecution can rely on circumstantial evidence to prove the guilt of the accused, even if the crime is committed with treachery. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding landmark case helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.